Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, car enthusiasts and privacy seekers. Car window tinting offers various advantages, but navigating its types, regulations, and maintenance can be daunting. In this comprehensive guide, we're exploring the world of car window tinting, its benefits, diverse types, regulations by region, and essential maintenance tips. Join us as we uncover how window tinting can enhance your driving experience while ensuring compliance with local laws. The complete guide to car window tinting: benefits, types, regulations, and maintenance. Car window tinting is a popular aftermarket modification for vehicles. Many car owners choose to tint their windows for various reasons, such as enhancing privacy, reducing glare, and protecting the vehicle's interior from UV rays. In this video, we will explore the benefits of car window tinting, the different types of window tint films available, and the considerations to keep in mind when choosing a tint for your vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Whether you're looking to improve the aesthetics of your car or seeking practical benefits, understanding the ins and outs of car window tinting can help you make an informed decision for your vehicle. Benefits of car window tinting: UV protection. Car window tinting offers more than just a sleek appearance. It acts as a shield against harmful UV rays, protecting both the driver and passengers. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can lead to skin damage and increase the risk of skin cancer. Window tinting helps to block up to 99% of these harmful rays, providing a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Enhanced privacy and security. Privacy is a valuable aspect of car window tinting. It prevents prying eyes from peering into the vehicle, safeguarding personal belongings and adding a level of security. By obscuring the interior of the car, window tinting discourages potential break-ins, keeping valuables out of sight and deterring theft. Interior protection. The sun's rays can cause significant damage to a vehicle's interior. Over time, exposure to sunlight can fade upholstery, crack leather, and damage electronic components. Car window tinting acts as a barrier, shielding the interior from the sun's harmful effects. This preserves the aesthetic appeal of the car's interior and maintains its value over the long term. Heat reduction. During hot weather, cars can quickly become uncomfortably warm. Window tinting helps to mitigate this issue by reducing the amount of heat that enters the vehicle. By blocking and reflecting sunlight, tinted windows keep the interior cooler, providing a more pleasant driving environment. This can also contribute to fuel efficiency by reducing the need for air conditioning, ultimately saving on energy costs. Types of window tinting: dyed window tint. Dyed window tinting is a popular choice due to its non-reflective and matte finish, providing a sleek appearance. It works by dyeing the film to achieve the desired darkness, absorbing solar heat and reducing glare. While it effectively blocks sunlight, the dyed tint may fade over time and is less effective in heat reduction compared to other types. Metallized window tint. Metallized window tint is composed of small metallic particles, offering superior heat and UV ray rejection. This type of tint strengthens the window and provides a shiny appearance. However, it can interfere with electronic signals and radio frequencies due to its metallic content. Carbon window tint. Carbon window tint consists of layers of carbon film that block a high percentage of infrared light, offering superior heat reduction without interfering with electronic signals. It provides a matte finish, is fade-resistant, and effectively blocks UV rays, making it a durable and efficient option. Ceramic window tint. Ceramic window tint is a top-of-the-line option, incorporating ceramic particles for heat and light rejection. It provides maximum clarity, does not fade over time, blocks UV rays effectively, and does not interfere with electronic signals. While it is the most expensive option, the benefits of heat reduction and clarity make it a worthwhile investment. Legal regulations for car window tinting. Visible light transmission (VLT) regulations. Car window tinting regulations are primarily based on the concept of visible light transmission, VLT, which refers to the amount of visible light that can pass through the window. VLT is measured as a percentage, with lower percentages indicating darker tints. The legal VLT percentage varies from state to state, and car owners must adhere to these regulations to avoid legal penalties. Specific regulations in different states. Each state has its specific regulations regarding car window tinting. For instance, in California, the front side windows must allow over 70% of light in, while the rear and back windows can have any level of darkness. On the other hand, Texas has different regulations, allowing 25% VLT for the front side windows and any level of darkness for the rear and back windows. Car owners need to be aware of the specific regulations in their state to ensure compliance with the law. Always check the latest regulations to ensure your car complies with the specific tinting laws in your area. If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might like this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Factors to consider when choosing car window tinting. VLT percentage. When considering car window tinting, it's crucial to understand the VLT, visible light transmission percentage. This measurement indicates the amount of light that can pass through the tint. Different states have varying regulations about the permissible VLT percentage for vehicles. Understanding these regulations will help ensure compliance and avoid potential legal issues. Additionally, selecting the appropriate VLT percentage that aligns with your specific needs, such as privacy or UV protection, is an essential factor to consider. Tinting laws and regulations. Before proceeding with car window tinting, it's imperative to be well versed with the tinting laws and regulations in your state. Each state has distinct guidelines regarding the darkness of tint allowed on different windows of the vehicle. Being aware of these laws will not only keep you on the right side of the law, but also help in making an informed decision about the type of tint to choose. Tinting film quality. The quality of the tinting film is a crucial consideration when choosing car window tinting. Opting for high-quality tinting film ensures durability, heat resistance, and longevity. A superior tinting film also provides better UV protection and reduces the risk of fading or discoloration over time. Investing in a reputable tinting film can lead to long-term satisfaction and performance. Professional installation. While it might be tempting to attempt a DIY approach, professional installation of car window tinting is highly recommended. Qualified professionals have the expertise and experience to ensure that the tint is applied correctly without imperfections such as air bubbles or creases. Professional installation not only guarantees a seamless and polished finish, but also saves time and effort, providing peace of mind knowing the job is done right. By considering the VLT percentage, tinting laws, film quality, and professional installation, you can make an informed decision when choosing car window tinting that meets your specific preferences and complies with legal requirements. Maintenance and care tips for tinted windows. Cleaning techniques. When it comes to maintaining your tinted windows, it's important to use the right cleaning techniques to avoid damaging the tint film. Start by using a soft microfiber cloth and a mild soap solution to gently wipe the windows. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaning tools that could scratch or peel the tint. Additionally, refrain from using ammonia-based cleaners as they can cause discoloration and deterioration of the tint over time. Avoiding scratches and damage. To prevent scratches and damage to your tinted windows, be mindful of how you use them. Avoid placing sharp or abrasive objects on the windows and be cautious when rolling them up and down. It's also important to refrain from using adhesive stickers or decals on the tinted surface, as removing them can cause the tint to peel off. Repairing damaged tint. If your tinted windows become damaged, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to prevent further deterioration. Small tears or bubbles in the tint can often be repaired with a DIY tint repair kit, which typically includes adhesive solutions and smoothing tools. However, for more extensive damage, it's best to seek professional assistance to ensure the tint is repaired effectively without causing additional harm to the windows. By adhering to these maintenance and care tips, you can prolong the lifespan of your tinted windows and keep them looking pristine for years to come. Car window tinting not only enhances the appearance of your vehicle, but also provides numerous functional benefits such as UV protection, heat reduction, and privacy. By choosing the right tint and professional installation, you can ensure that your car not only looks sleek and stylish, but also stays cooler and protected from the sun's harmful rays. With the many options available, It's essential to do your research and find a reputable tinting service to ensure the best results for your vehicle. Thank you for exploring our complete guide on car window tinting, covering its benefits, types, regulations, and maintenance essentials. By understanding these aspects, you're better equipped to make informed decisions about window tinting for your vehicle. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive tips and tricks. Remember, window tinting can offer numerous advantages, but it's crucial to follow regulations and maintain it properly for a comfortable and legal driving experience. Enjoy your tinted ride. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.